Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding with Nathan. Today we are building our very first real Python project. It's a fun number guessing game. This is perfect for beginners because it teaches you random numbers, while loops, conditionals, user input, and basic error handling all in one project. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete working game you can play and even customize. If you're new here, make sure you've already installed Python and VS Code using the setup video I posted earlier. The links are in the description and it is in the playlist. All right, let's jump in. Here's what our final game will look like. It's just a number game. Computer picks a secret number between 1 and 100. You keep guessing until you get it right. After every guess, it'll tell you whether your number is too high or too low. At the end, it tells you how many guesses it took. We're also going to add a nice message, input validation, and a play again option. Are you ready? Let's start coding. All right, the first thing you need to do is go File. And what you want to do is create a new text file. And then you want to go save it and name it the number guessing game.py. Okay, at the very top, we're going to need to import the random model so Python can pick the secret number. So all we do here is do import random, and that's it. We're ready to go. All right, so that's it for import. Now we need to start. Let's create our main function so that our code stays organized. And all this does is print the welcome message. And to get these emojis on Windows, it is win and period. And it will give you a selection menu to put them in. All right. All right, next we're going to set up the variables. What we got here is secret number. That's the random number that the computer's going to pick. Guesses are the number of guesses, keeps track of how many times you've guessed, and is running is whether you are finished or not. This controls the game loop. All right, next we need the main game loop. And this is it. Need to move these back. This is the error handling. We're going to take in the guess. This is your input. We're going to increment the number of guesses. Then we are going to move on. All right, so next comes our main game logic here. And what we have is we check if you guess the secret number, then you of course have won. Otherwise, we tell you whether the guess is too low or too high. And you see here, if you guessed right, we set is running number equal to is running to false, which will drop us out of the loop. and end the game. All right. Pretty simple. All right, next we need to handle errors. All right. This finishes our try. Get this out there. Line everything up. And this just says if you didn't put in a number, you know, try again. All right, so that's the entire game. And now we just need to add in some code here in case you want to play again. Just ask you if you want to play again. If you do, it is going to restart. All right. All right, we have one important step yet. And that is we need to tell Python what to do when you run this actual file. That is this code right here. It just says that we want to run this main function. And that's it. Should be good. So we're going to run a test here. And we're going to run it in the terminal. And here we go. It's our number guessing game. We're going to guess 50. Too high, so we will guess 25. Too high, we will guess 12. Too high, wow, 6. Too high, 3. Too high, 2. Guessed it. Took us 6 guesses to get 2. Would we like to play again? Yes. You can see goes on. That is our game. We will get this code up to GitHub for you. And we thank you for paying attention. All right, that is our game. Now you can, I challenge you to try improving this game. Let the player choose the range of numbers, maybe 1 to 50, maybe 1 to 1,000. Add a maximum number of 10 attempts, maybe 10 tries, and then you say you lose. Add a score system where you can keep track of each game, what their average score was, that type of thing. Try one of these and show me in the comments, and we will hope that you come back next time when we will give you another project and help you go forward in learning Python. Thanks for watching.